How's everybody doing today? Nene here, coming out here to check out these classic vehicles out here. Look at this Chevy. Dang, this thing is beautiful. Look at them rims. They keep it right under here at the, ooh, about to die phone. They keep it under the right place too, don't they? This thing is clean. Oh my God, look how clean that is. It looks like it was maybe redone, but it is definitely mint. CST10, look at the rims on there. And they're asking $39,995 for this one. It's also in the canal. Dang, this thing is beautiful. Jeez. Look at that. Dang. Dang, they're from, it says Summerville, South Carolina. A road tour? Or maybe those stickers were just still on there from then. But it's mint, there's no rust or nothing on it. Look at the wheels. It came out here, South Carolina. This thing is perfectly done. Yeah, it's a little rainy today, but we out here. And a tow hitch kind of back there in the tag. Kind of hidden. Oh, I've passed this place so many times, and I always wanted to come over here and look, and I never get to. You got the T-tops. Z28 right here, and y'all saw the exhaust on it. You do got a little clear coat on top of the hood. Dang, it looks good though. A little separation at the front, fix the front clip a little bit, but nothing too bad. Let's put the, no, that's not really helping. They're asking $6,995 on this one. You got the black leather interior. Looking pretty good. The T-tops. Y'all already saw the exhaust on it. If that thing don't got no sound on it, ooh. Z28. True, you guys, it is hot. You got the SS. You got the Chevy SS out here. Look at that. This thing is beautiful. I don't know if the door is just ajar a little bit. Look at the wheels. Firehawk. I think they got the doors open. We'll look inside this one. They got the door open. Dang. It looks nice. That is nice. You got to finish the ceiling to get the lining in there. The automatic. So, Firehawk wheels on there. Dang. Beautiful. This one doesn't have a price on it. Dang, this thing looks good. Chevy SS, y'all. Chevy 2 SS. They got the skull hanging in on the mirror right there. Look at that. Dang, that thing is beautiful. If I had the money to buy this. Yep. And I thought it was Chevy Nova right here. I was gonna say, look, I know my cars. My uncle used to have one of these. Used to have one of these cars. You got the little mirrors on there. And let me see if it got a door tag. You look and see if it got a door tag or no. It don't have it. Usually they'll have the tag on the door, but it doesn't have the door tag on the door. Let me close it a little tighter. Hopefully I ain't got the keys in there. So, oh, I hope I'm not blocking. Man, look at this, man. A hot rod right here. Look at this. Look at the top. Jeez. Look at that, y'all. Man. Look how clean that is. They got the Harley Davidson cover on there. This thing is clean. Solid, too. Got the little pins holding the bed. Dang. They don't make, he got a patch of grass. They don't make them like that anymore. Like a wood floor on there. Man, look at that exhaust. Dang, this truck looks good. These are the trucks like my grandfather had when I was a kid. See how the seats were redone. They put Mustang seats in there. You see the Mustang seats with the ponies on them? Dang. Got a little bit of cracking going on, a little damage right there. You see it's cracking a little bit. And then right here, but other than that, it looks pretty freaking good. Jeez. And they are, what is this, $10,995 on this truck. The top right there. Man, look at this. This is a Chevy. It's a Chevy right here. Could be wrong. Yeah, I'm right. Blazer. This is the old school Blazer. They put these rims on there. You can tell the old Chevys from the front because they had that bar mostly going across the front there. And why is the tow hitch in the front though? That's different. What do y'all think about the rims on it? Chaos Blazer. The top. They got cloth seats in there. This one's a lot. Oh, and then you got the leather seat in the back. You have to change the seats and make them all leather. Got your gas cap back there. The rims. What do y'all think about this one? Do they have a price on this one? No price on this one. That Nova over there is my favorite though. Let's see, this Camaro looks like it could be a SS. I don't know about the chrome pieces that's right here in the center. I do like the color of it. If this Z28 right here, Z28, the rims. Got the T-tops on there. Black leather interior. Got the low side skirts. And look at those right there, those exhausts on there. Now you know this makes some sound. What do y'all think about the Z28? What's your favorite Camaro? This one or the other one? Leave a comment below. I would say this one because it's in better like condition as far as like the paint and everything. And I like the color of it. Sorry y'all, I'm breathing like I'm having a freaking I almost say asthma attack because like I can't breathe or something, but I got my mask on and it's hot. Yeah, this one looks pretty good. Except for I would take the, well, I wouldn't say take them off, but at least paint them black. It would go better. It would blend in better. That's too much chrome. So yeah, I would say I like that Camaro the best. What do y'all think? Out of all the cars out here, I would have to say the Chevy SS over here. The Nova is my favorite, my ultimate favorite right here. And then they got like regular cars, but I came here for these. The Nova is my favorite. The ultimate favorite. Huh? This is my favorite right here. My uncle used to have one when I was a kid.
What year?
Dang, I can't even remember. I don't remember what year he had, but
I had a 69 SS just like this.
His price somewhere around there. I remember him have one that he would talk about it all the time. Like this one looks
Are they for sale? Some of them?
pretty good. Yeah, some of them have prices in them. I don't know if this one had a price in it. I'm guessing. I know some of these have
Yeah, I see that one.
sales, and then that one over there. And I think the Blazer. Yeah, see this one. Oh, this one actually you can see through the two tops. But this one is my ultimate favorite. Too bad they don't make cars like this no more.
No damn, it sure does.
It's just, hey, throw them together and put them out.
Have a good day.
You too. Ooh, y'all, what do y'all think about this Nova? Leave me a comment below, you guys. And we'll go look around at some more cars, give y'all some longer content. And I would say out of the trucks, I like the Blazer as well, but I like this one as well also because it's put together pretty good, the color. So yeah. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go try to find hopefully some more classics. You know, they just got the newer cars and stuff like right there, but we're just gonna go find more old cars because this is like vans and stuff. You guys seen vans? Yeah, they got some cars inside the fence. They must be weird dogs. They ain't no dogs. Oh man, let me zoom out. My bad, y'all. I got a Charger. I got a lot of chrome added on there. Oh, there go another Fox body back there. Why don't it look like the same one that I did a review on that was supposed to be sold? Just got the racing tires on it. No, because maybe it was blue. I don't know. Let me turn this down some. And then they still got the old Porsche over here. Porsche. I say Porsche. It's a little rough. We'll look at it again. It's rough though. Yeah, shoe is. It's rough. Man, this thing is so low, it's crazy. What the, dang, it's really, the sunroof is not all the way up. It's rusting and flaking. It's in rough condition. This would definitely be like a project. The windows down, so that means it's getting wet inside. Yeah, rough. Definitely needs a paint job. Somebody could bring it back to life. Not me though. I already found my project. Hopefully I can make the deal with this guy. We can make it happen. Yeah, I would definitely do exhaust on that side. I do love the shape of it. Look how the back is shaped. This reminds me of a dang, I just lost my thought. A Daytona, Dodge Daytona. Right there. Obviously the Daytona, got a dog house back there, ain't no dog. The Daytona window is not as long, and they still got the Thunderbird. Both tires are flat. Yeah, but we still the window, the rubber just hanging right there. This is kind of rough. Just leaning to the left on them tires. And you see, you know, it's still right there. This is coming down. So the air up those tires in the back. This is a manual. I'm not sure of the price on it. Maybe it's rough. Oh. Broken headlights. Those need to be replaced. So, gonna have to put a little bit of money into it. And they still have the Camaro over here. I think they were asking a grip for this Camaro. The reason it's still over here, it do have a straight pipe look. They got a Fox body over there. Let's see if we can get it right there. Looking clean. Oop, my bad, y'all. Focus. So this thing is straight pipe. Look at that. Big pipes coming from it. Got the T-tops. We'll need to fix them up a little bit right here. But you do have the T-tops. And this is the auto. Perfect for me. Yeah. This is like, maybe, this could be like an 89. This is the Camaro I want right here. Because I love this model right here, the design of the headlights. The headlights just like that. Yes. Looking beautiful. I don't see the price in there anymore. They used to have a price. I don't remember what it was, but the snow was a lot. I want to go back there. They got cars back there. I want to go look at everything. Of course, I'd have to talk to them first. I don't want to do it. I'm going to somebody's property. Alright, you guys, so we're going to go find some more cars. Right now, this is going to be a classic car day today.